Good morning dear students, welcome again in your online classes. We were reading lesson number 15, Animals Around Us. Today is the second session of lesson number 15. Today is 21. In the previous video we have learned about the land animals. There are three types of animals. Which one? We read about land animals, water animal and land and water animal. Three types of animal. In the previous video, session number 1, we have read about the land animal, and today we are going to read about water animal, land and water animal. So students, open page number 77. First we will read about the water animal. Animals who live in water. Animals who live in water. Those animals who live in the water, they are known as the water animal or aquatic animal. They can swim easily because they are living in the water. That's why they can swim easily. Water animals can swim easily. Land and water animal. Next one is land and water animal. Some animals live on both land and water. Some animals can live on land also and in water also. Those animals are known as land and water animals. For example, frog. A frog can live in the water also and on the land also. Okay? Which animal can live in water only? Fish. Very good. Fish can swim. Yeah, because it usually live in water only. It can't survive on the land. If you will put the fish on the land, it will die after some time. That's why fish can swim easily. So we read about land animals. Those animals who live in the land only. They can't survive in the water. That type of animal are land animal, water animal who can live in the water only, not on the land. Like fish, dolphin, blue whale, octopus. Example is given in your book. And the last one is land and water animal. Which animal who can swim in the water also and stay on the land also? They are known as land and water animal. And after that the next one is birds. We will read about the birds. What will come in the land and water animal? Example of this: frog, I have given already, duck, crocodile, tortoise. They can swim also, they can stay on the land also. Birds are also animals. We are reading about animals. Just will ask bird is animal? No. Bird is bird, animal is animal? No. Birds can also come. Bird are also known as in animal category only. Most birds can fly with the help of feathers and wings. Most of the birds can fly with the help of their feathers, punk and wings. You can see the birds picture: sparrow, pigeon, parrot, crow. The birds can fly with the help of feather and wings. Birds. Today we have completed this portion, and in the next video we will read about body parts of the animals. Which animals we read? Land and water. We will read about the body parts of the animals and the sounds of the different animals. Today you have submitted your copy on 19. You have not your copy, so I am going to give you book exercise. I am going to explain the book exercise. You will do your book work because you have already book at your home. So you will solve the book exercise today. And when you will get the copy, then the remaining part, match up the following of lesson number 15, I will give it when you will get the copy. When you will get the new video after this video, then you will get the copy work. But today you have no any copy, not having copy, that's why I am giving the book exercise. So after this video, you will complete the book exercise. So let's come and solve the book exercise. And this part I will explain in the next video, then I will give the copy work. You have not copied, that's why I am not explaining more. Okay, let's come. Yes, students, we are reading lesson number 15, animals around us, land animals we read in the previous video. You can see all the pictures. These are wild animal, these are farm animals, pet animals, and these farm animals and pet animals are domestic animals, and these animals can live on the trees. Today we read about water animals. Fish, water animals is also known as aquatic animal. Land and water animal who can live on both land and water. And we read about birds. And after that we will read this page when you will get the copy. And today we are going to do this book exercise. Fill in the blanks. The option is given here. Two options are given. Which one is the right option? You will write down here only. Okay. First, animals live in forest. Domestic or wild? Which animal live in the forest? Yes, of course, wild animal will live in the forest. So here you will write down wild. W will be capital and rest word will be small letter. I am writing here, that's why you can understand wild. It is the first letter, no? So you will write here W I L D. W will be capital and rest word will be small. Next, cows, goats and buffaloes give us milk or egg. Which one? Milk. It is the last word, middle word, so you will not write from the capital letter, you will write from the small letter. So we will write like this, small M-I-L-K, milk. Next, a dash lives both on land and in water. Frog or rat, which one can live on the both land and water? That is the frog. So we will write here frog. It is also middle word, so we will write from the small letter. Next, fishes have dash to swim. Wings or fins? By which help fishes can swim? Fins only. It is also middle word, so you will write here from the small letter. Monkey and squirrel live on trees or water? Very good. Trees. Monkey and squirrel will live on trees only, not in the water, because they are not water animal. Trees. S is there. Don't forget this S. After this, next question. True, false. Write T for true and F for false. Box is given already, as you have done already so many times. Birds have 4 legs. Right? Wrong. So it will be false. Elephant uses its trunk to pick up things. Right? Yeah, you haven't read this. In the next video, you will read about this. But elephant uses its tongue to pick the things. Elephant uses its tongue to pick up anything. It is true. Next, fish and dolphin can swim on both land and water. Fish can swim on the both. No, fish can only live in the water only, so it will be false. Pet animals live in forest. Which animal lives in forest? Pet animal or wild animal? Wild animal, no. Here is written pet animal, so it will be false. F. You will not do this question because I will give this question in match the following format in the copy. Come on the next question. Question number D. Give 2 examples of each. Animals that live in forest. Which animal can live in the forest? We have to write 2 example. The first one is lion, tiger. Animals that live on trees. Monkey, squirrel. Animals that can fly. Crow, parrot. Animals that live in water. Fish and octopus. So we have completed book exercise here. Today you have no copy, that's why you will complete your book exercise. In the next video, when I will explain this full chapter, remaining part of this chapter, I will give the copy work. I have given already question answer, 1, 2, 3 questions. I hope you have written in the copy, and after that I will give match the following with the next video, along with that video. Okay, thank you everyone, and happy winter vacation, happy Christmas, enjoy well, and keep safe at your home. Okay students, bye bye.